Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Webull to MetaTrader 5. While Webull does not natively support direct integration with MetaTrader 5, there's an effective workaround. You can use specialized bridge services to link your Webull account with MT5. This approach allows for automated trade execution and seamless data synchronization, providing a more integrated trading experience. It's a practical solution for traders seeking to combine these powerful platforms. Bridge services act as intermediaries, specifically designed to connect stock trading platforms like Webull with Forex-focused platforms such as MetaTrader 5. These providers utilize application programming interfaces, or APIs, to securely fetch real-time market data and trade signals from your Webull account. They then transmit this crucial information directly to your MetaTrader 5 platform, enabling a unified trading environment. To set up the connection, first log into Webull and register an API application to generate your unique API key and secret. Next, within your selected bridge service, you'll configure specific parameters. This includes defining what signals to transmit, such as price levels, order types, and lot sizes. Finally, it is crucial to test the connection thoroughly using a demo or paper trading account to ensure everything functions accurately before live trading. If bridge services aren't for you, manual order placement remains a viable alternative, where you execute trades directly on Webull based on your MT5 analysis. Another option is to consider brokers that offer native MetaTrader 5 support for a truly seamless experience. Remember to check the description for links to these options and other great deals. Life's too short for cheap socks, so go darn tough with a lifetime warranty.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.